There is gold in them hills. Back now with a modern-day gold rush. With inflation stubbornly high, some people are looking to gold as an investment. And one place they're buying it, pause, Costco. Trevor Ault is here with more on that. Good morning, Trevor.
Good morning, Robin. It's a fun little addition to the shoppers list for people who are going to Costco. You have your produce, your snacks, your paper towels, and how about a 1-ounce bar of solid gold? It feels like it's a novelty, but people are buying these up to the tune of hundreds of millions of dollars.
So tell us about the treasure.
If we don't go after that treasure, it's going to haunt us the rest of our lives, and you know it.
This morning, consumers across the country are grabbing hold of gold. Amid inflation and economic uncertainty, the precious metal is tempting more and more shoppers.
This is a currency that has been around for thousands of years. It is one thing that holds its value and increases its value over a duration of time.
The phenomenon is playing out in giant numbers at Costco. A report from Wells Fargo says since last August, when the retail giant started selling these 1-ounce gold bars at a slight markup, they're now generating up to $200 million a month in sales.
I just had to pay $23.59 for it.
Humphrey Yang is a personal finance content creator, and he now owns one of those Costco bars.
I think this gold bar will hold its value, so I don't really think I spent $23.59. I more just converted one currency to another.
His TikTok video documenting the process has been seen about 3 million times since Monday.
I think I'll just hold on to it as long as I can, and maybe I can pass it down to a future generation.
Craig Beauregard and Julia Edwards decided to buy a bar on a whim while shopping for groceries.
We did a lap around the store and we just couldn't get it off our mind, so we went back.
They say they see it as a good investment, especially with a wedding to plan.
It feels good to know that I can hold it, I can bring it home, and I know where it is.
The price of gold has risen substantially over the years. Its current price is $2,348 per troy ounce. That's the way gold is measured. That's up $359 from this time last year and almost 10 times what it was worth back in 2000. But it's not a guaranteed investment. The price topped $1,800 in 2011, but then plummeted below $1,100 in 2015. Eventually climbing its way back up to today's record highs.
The idea of it is that gold holds its worth, and that is why people want to have that as a potential investment in their portfolios.
Now, keep in mind, Costco does limit your gold purchases to just 5 ounces per customer, so you should not show up to the store with your life savings in a bag of cash, hoping to get all those gold bars.
All right, so let's say you do buy it.
Yes.
What should you know about selling it?
Right, okay, I can see the dollar signs in your eyes here, Robin. Step one is don't sell it to the first place that you find, right? There's a lot of people that will buy gold. You get a lot of different rates, a lot of different fees, so make sure that you're shopping around to make sure you get the best deal. You also should know that if this is a short-term investment, you have the possibility of short-term capital gains tax. That's 10% all the way up to 37%, so it's not pure profit if you do flip it. And also, we cannot stress this enough, it's not a certainty that the price is going to keep climbing higher and higher. Like any kind of investment, if you were to put this money in the stock market, it also might go down. So you got to keep that in mind if you're going to buy gold too.
Pay your bills.
With your lettuce and your hot dogs at Costco.
Pay your bills with it, get a little chisel and hammer and cut off a little piece.
Shave off a little bit.
Yeah, there you go.
You couldn't resist. Once again, couldn't resist.
I mean, I'm thinking about gold investments, right? What are you talking about?